Hey, Elliott from LiveWebinar here, and I want to share with you some of the best webinar marketing practices and tips from our business use cases. But before we go further, remember to walk up behind the like button and tap him on the shoulder and walk with him to the subscribe button and become friends. In this video, I'm going to guide you through picking the perfect topic to maximize the outcome of your sales and marketing webinars. Webinars are a great tool to build your email base, generate leads and educate your customers, and so much more. Once you have them running smoothly, they can bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. Here at LiveWebinar, we have hosted dozens of webinars over the years and have learned the tricks of the trade by creating successful virtual events. We've found that choosing the right topic is the one that's most crucial to the success of the entire project. It's an essential part of planning an event, but also one of the most difficult to execute properly. We have prepared a special diagram that will help you understand the secret of converting your webinar titles into a gold mine. For this framework, we have adapted the so-called Ikigai model, which is superior in the business world and to webinar creation. The secret, you might ask? You must answer only 4 questions, and you'll get ideas for effective webinars. 2 of these questions are about you, and 2 are focused on your audience. So let's imagine that you're a computer graphic designer and you really love what you do. You decided to start your side hustle and host paid webinars on creating web graphics. First, you need to decide what you're truly passionate about and what you are skilled in. The answers to these questions: what do you love and what are you good at? Basing your webinar on these 2 foundations, you will not lack motivation and you are guaranteed that your knowledge will be useful to the participants. You will also easily build your authority, image, and brand as an expert. In this instance, let's assume that you are an Adobe Photoshop master. Would the topic Webinar on Adobe Photoshop be a suitable title? Absolutely not. It is missing 2 essential elements. The final part of the secret is found by answering 2 more questions. What does the world really need? And where does the money lie? This is the part where you focus on the real needs and desires of your participants. You are trying to understand the current state of the market and find profitable niches. As a graphic designer, you know that a more effective theme will be how to create effective banners for Google and Facebook ads using Adobe Photoshop. Your theme is not only unique and specific, but it also carries a tactile promise and value to your learners. Of course, this isn't the only way to increase conversions, but we'll talk more about that in future episodes of the series. Seeing as you've stayed until the end, why not subscribe to our channel? And make sure you click the bell to be notified when we release the new videos and stay up to date with our educational materials. Happy live webinaring!